Hey guys, welcome back. Drip Coach here with Drip and Farm for Poverty, where we don't trust, we verify and operate with integrity and transparency. Today, we're talking about the future of money, aka Bitcoin, as usual. And specifically, I'm going to be covering this video here over on Swan Bitcoin, which serves as a great intro to people that are not familiar and still confused about Bitcoin. So I'm just going to break it down and recommend you guys share this with anyone you want to onboard. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm not going to show you the whole video, obviously, because that would be copyright. And it's about, how long was it? I forgot, like 20 minutes, something like that. But it's a great introductory video to getting people onboarded into Bitcoin specifically. So as we know, like crypto in general is definitely becoming trending and heating up. According to this article, there's about 1 billion people using crypto in the world, and approximately like 50 million people own Bitcoin. So it is still super new, even as of now, like in this 2024 cycle. And they say that there's been over 460 million Bitcoin wallets out of the 1 billion users. And remember, one person can create more than one wallet. And that's where they break this down in this chart. So basically only 46 million of them over $1 in value. So I have more than one Bitcoin wallet address. You can create wallets without funding it. So the point I'm getting at is there's so many people still unfamiliar with Bitcoin. And that's where this video can actually come into play. So it's really, really well done. It's done with the Tuttle Twins, like kind of a cartoon characters. I think there's a couple of episodes. I haven't watched all of them, but they start basically talking about the inflation. Oops, sorry about that. That is happening for buying goods and services in the store. And then their grandma is the one that basically orange pills them throughout the series, and using real simple to understand analogies and references, and a lot of comedic overture that's done in here as well. But if the point I'm getting at is if you have friends, family, or whatever that you want to explain Bitcoin to, then I think the Tuttle Twins series, Bitcoin series, there's definitely more than just this video, but this is the most recent one on Swan, can help you because they go into explaining why things are more expensive in this scene here. Then they go to how traditional money is controlled and therefore corrupted. And that leads you to understanding why the need for Bitcoin is there. And then they go through a part where they're explaining why people misunderstand Bitcoin and what the common misconceptions are around Bitcoin and how you can kind of combat that. So they kind of address a lot of the narratives and falsehoods that people have assumptions about Bitcoin. Then they go into decentralization, how it cannot be controlled and corrupted like traditional money is. And then they show how it can basically fix the inflation problem using, again, some analogies and stuff like that. So actually, again, I find it quite comical, and it's 22 minutes, but definitely easy to help orange pill newbies to Bitcoin if they're not familiar with it. So I would recommend not just this series or not just this video, but I believe, like I said, there's multiple other. Yeah, it's actually called the Tuttle Twins. So they don't have that many views for a channel or for what they're doing. Like, I think they're hugely underrated. 246,000 subscribers. And they have an entire series here that is all about understanding money and Bitcoin. And I don't think all of these are about that. Yeah, I think the whole Tuttle Twins series is more just informative in general. But recently they've done some stuff about Bitcoin. So maybe I only find their Bitcoin or money playlist. I've never actually come to their channel. I'm doing this in real time. So it might be specific to a certain season or something like that. But I did see here briefly the inflation, and then there was the one about Satoshi Nakamoto, which I had saw earlier, this one here. So point is, you can educate and orange pill your friends, family, loved ones in a very simple, comical way that's done really, really well, and cartoon. So, you know, it makes it easy to understand. All right, that's all I got. Basically a shameless shill for the Swan Bitcoin video, which I have no sponsorship for. I don't even use Swan Bitcoin, but they use this video and kind of plug themselves throughout it. You can see here, and the Tuttle Twins is just definitely an easy, digestible medium for understanding Bitcoin. So share that with whoever you think would benefit. All right, smash that HBO special, help brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See you.
Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? Spritz Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.